Another thing, we don't have a lot of turnover at Air Power. There's not a heavy turnover here. You explain the phenomenon behind that, or the purpose, or the what leads to a low turnover.
Um, yeah, good solid leadership. That's what I would say. I mean, I think it's I think it's
There's
like I
something
said,
to that,
there's
though.
something to. I think it has something to do with the culture, right? I think it has something to do with transparency. I think that is offered here at Air Power. I've had this conversation with you, and I've had it with anybody that would have it. I mean, the most important thing for me, and I think for us, is the people that are represented and the families that are represented here, right, at Air Power, and that's a lot. And so, if our focus, I joke all the time that we're not doing brain surgery here, right? And but our work is important because it's important for our customers. Our job is to take care of our customers, which in turn allows us to take care of the families that are part of Air Power. And I think that's an important piece, certainly, of what keeps people here. I also think it's important to offer people opportunities to grow, right? And we're not a huge organization, right, with lots of layers. So growth doesn't always mean from the bottom to the top. It can be sideways. And I think that's one of the things that we always ask ourselves. I believe wholeheartedly in promoting from within. So if you look at the different levels or layers or application specialists or different roles, even within project management or in our service department or shipping and receiving,
Finishing lab.
we've got people, employees who've started in a place and have moved to different opportunities as things have come up. Sure, it would be easy for us to take openings, or as we grow, always hire externally. But our goal is to, if we have somebody who is capable and who is interested, right, and has the aptitude, we certainly want to give that person the opportunity to grow. And
Correct.
I think that I don't want to say creates loyalty, but I think that means a lot to people to have an opportunity to grow within the company that they're part of. So.
Well, let's just look at this really quick. If you think about some of the senior management within this organization, if I remember right, Darren Stone, who's now the general manager of the company, started out in possibly the warehouse.
Yeah.
Scott Lambeth, who's
Scott Lawrence.
and
Scott Lambeth.
Scott Lambeth started out in the warehouse,
Yeah.
I do believe.
Yep.
And we're talking. We touched a little bit earlier on David Gunner. It's part of that original core of 10 or so companies, right, or 10 of employees. One of the originals. But what I didn't say was how many people that have worked for this company for 2, 3, 4 decades that are still here.
Yeah.
It's a huge number.
Yeah.
It's not,
Yeah.
and it's regionally all over too.
Sure.
So it's definitely a stable company with people that have been here a long time by choice.
Yeah, and I think it's. I mean,
Don't stay here if you
I
don't
say
wanna be
right.
here.
I say this all the time, and I say like, I know our work is serious, and we have to take care of our customers. Obviously, we're in business to make money. All those things, they go without saying. But I really do believe that if this is for me too, right? If I go too many days in a row and I'm not having fun, I need to look to do something different. I just believe that's true, and I would tell that to anybody that's a part of our organization. Like if you're not having fun, if you're miserable, you need to look for something else, and that might be better for you. It might be better for us, and that's not that I want to run people off. I love who we are, and I love what we do, and it's a lot of fun. Is every day a blast? No, right? There's tough situations, and this year has certainly been one of those tough, kind of years with all things COVID. So every day's not been a joy, but I find joy in places every day.